I didn't understand this for a very, very long time. And so there were two things that have fundamentally changed my life. The first one is that there is a skill in life, Chloe, that absolutely any human being can learn and they need to learn it. And the skill is very simple. You need to know how to push yourself to take the small, annoying, frustrating, boring actions, no matter how you feel.
Mm,
And what I learned the hard way is that in any moment, you can override your feelings with action. And so the first thing that I created that really kind of turned my life in a different direction, and I believe you are one decision away from a different life.
100%.
One decision. Now, one decision does not change everything overnight.
Hmm.
One decision turns the first domino in an entirely new direction and you tip it. And for me, the decision that truly changed my life was deciding to get up on a Tuesday morning when I didn't feel like it. And all I did was count backwards 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, the same way that NASA launches a rocket ship, because I figured if I'm laying here in bed, consumed with anxiety, maybe if I launch myself out of bed, Chloe, if I launch myself, maybe if I move fast enough, I won't be in this bed when the depression, the overwhelm, and the anxiety strikes. And by God, it worked.
Yeah.
The counting, the reason why it works is because counting backwards, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, it interrupts all the negativity that is programmed into your mind from your past, from what other people have said, from all the mistakes that you've made, from the anxiety, the worry, the procrastination, all that stuff, the people that have broken your trust. That's all right here. And it is real, but you still get to choose.
Right.
And when you start counting backwards, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, you move from here to here. And this is the part of the brain right behind your forehead that actually helps you take control of what you do next. It helps you learn new behavior. I didn't know any of this at the time, by the way. I just knew I created some little trick that was given to me by God.
Right.
And now all of a sudden I'm 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, picking up the phone and asking for help. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, I'm going out the door and going for a walk. And slowly but surely, one 5-second decision at a time, I learned this skill that I want everybody on the planet to know,
Mm.
which is if you can, in a moment, recognize that your feelings are taking over and you're starting to drift toward the things that you always do. You avoid, you procrastinate, you self-doubt, you make yourself wrong. That in that moment, you can develop a skill of, I actually move in the direction of my values and my dreams.